All right, what's going on, folks? Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And like always, if you don't want to have bad luck for 20 years, you better like and subscribe. Today we got a 14 F150. This truck's a 5.0, finished off in Lariat trim, four-wheel drive, and I think, checking the mileage real quick because I don't even remember. 103? Come on, what do we got? 102, let's go. All right, so only 102,000 miles on this 14. Conditions in amazing shape inside and out. It's in, it's definitely phenomenal for 2014. It's finished off in like a burgundy pearl color. 6-inch Pro Comp kit, 20-inch Pro Comp wheels, 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I'm gonna try to point out any damage that I can find. Rear bumper looks clean. You got one or two small chip marks that will be touched up on the rear tailgate. This is like a light scratch, barely right there. It will buff out. You have a couple spots right here that'll need touch up. That's surface, that'll come right off. But I would easily say paint overall for a 14, it's definitely into the 9s. It's in gorgeous shape. Wheels are in good shape as well. No curb rash that I could notate. Front bumper, one little spot there. But if you guys look at these videos, these are shot in 1080p. There's like the body, you can see like there's no big dents and dings down the body of this truck. Same thing. Let's go to the driver's side. Driver's side paint, super reflective. Anyway, so this is finished off in Lariat trim, just over 100K. Mechanically outstanding. This does have the 5.0, like I said, 6-speed tranny. If you guys know these Ford trucks, the 6-speeds were way more reliable. It's one of the, honestly, I think it's one of my favorite transmissions that they put in the F150s. The new 10-speeds are definitely a little shady from 18 to 2022, so you got to be careful of the 10-speeds. Sunroof truck, again, factory full power options. This has been re-glued right here. This is a famous spot that kind of always pops off. Steering wheel, little to nowhere. Driver's seat, you know, driver's seat looks really good. Husky floor liners. All the upgrades will be in the description of this video, so you can see the description. You'll see all the upgrades. You can see how nice the factory carpet is underneath. So you got Husky liners, factory carpet liners under there. It's in really good shape interior wise. Interior easily a 9.5 out of 10 on a 14, no question. Knee deep in rubber. 35 Nitto Ridge Grapplers, like I said, absolutely zero rust. For those of you guys that make comments and are like, oh man, I see orange or I see rust, let's go back and realize, you know, that shit's steel. If steel doesn't have a coating on it, it's going to turn orange, just like brake rotors. However, if you look at this like that, I mean, that's 11 years of road use, and she's still looking good. No flake and rust. We don't deal with that shit down here, okay? I don't allow it at my dealership. Absolute zero rust is allowed on trucks like that on the undercarriage. Little surface discoloration, very normal depending on the age. Outside of that, dude, a gorgeous truck inside and out, no question. Mechanically, as always, 140-point inspection, fully serviced top to bottom. This is just some road grime for me driving it back home. We drive all of our trucks a minimum of about 50 miles. They get driven by me or one of my employees. After mechanics, they get driven again after everything's been through inspection. So, I mean, mechanically, we don't miss much. Most of these trucks are near perfect when they're leaving for sure. Truck drives amazing, 80 miles an hour on the interstate, no question. If you guys have any questions about this truck, give us a call, 843-697-7501. We're located right here in the greater Charleston area, Latson, South Carolina. We do ship nationwide, so anybody that's looking to get a vehicle shipped, we will ship it to your doorstep nationwide. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed yet, make sure you do. We post new trucks on the daily. Some of these don't make it to our YouTube channel because we sell them too quick for me to get a video of every single vehicle that comes in here. We stock 50 to 60 lifted trucks at all times, so you guys can tell I don't get a chance to post every truck in a video. So if you see one on the website, it doesn't have a video or YouTube link, all you got to do is say something, drop a comment, call us. I will be more than happy to do a video specifically for you. Occasionally we get stock shit like this. Chevy Suburban, come on, let's go. 2021. We got big boy status trucks. We got little trucks. Like, this is a unique truck, dude. If you guys haven't, you know, seen these, a little 24 F150 regular cab 5.0 rear locking diff. That truck hooks and goes. She's nasty. But anyway, back to the Ford. If you guys have any questions about this truck, make sure you give us a call. Full description, full information on the truck will be in the description. You guys can go over to the website too, deluxemotorsports.com. That way you can see the full inventory list that we have. If you guys don't follow us on Facebook or Instagram, make sure you do, deluxe_motorsports. That's where I post on my stories as soon as we buy a truck. If it's coming from Texas, Florida, Georgia, wherever it's coming from, I will post it on my story, let you guys see what we're getting that day. It gives you the quickest opportunity to see what's next, what's upcoming, and it could be the truck for you. So that's probably the easiest way to follow us, to make sure you see up-to-date inventory. If you don't see inventory on YouTube, like I said, give us a call. I'll be more than happy to do a full walk-around video just like this one. So next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports. So next time, see ya.